I can't.
Goddamn. Goddamn.
Hey guys, fuck it. Let's kid. Hey, what's up? So I haven't been here in a minute, but yeah, it's all good. I'm gonna just be eating some waffles because I want to do a new video, and sorry I haven't been here in a minute. Is what it is. Yeah, let's get into this video. I'm gonna be eating some Egos. This is all I can afford.
Hey, cut that shit out. What's the challenge? How many we doing for, bro? Hey, not while mom is home.
Just kidding. I want to try and eat it under like 30 minutes. Oh, hey guys, what's up? No, I'm just looking at you. Jesus fucking Christ, dude, this is bigger than I thought.
Okay, let's start.
Christ, dude. This is bigger than I thought.
Give it up for Ezra.
Let's just give it up for me. Man, I'm so fine, bro. You guys ever seen Jack Harlow? Like, you are so fine, bro. With like Drewski.
What is up with the fouling, and why would you say you're fouling so much out here?
You are so fine, bro.
Other than that, I'd like to ask about the game, man. You're
Yeah, close up on that one. Make it your bitch.
I don't even know what to do.
Okay, fucking diabeto.
Rocky Balboa said, if you want to get what you're worth, you gotta go and get what you're worth, but you gotta be willing to take the hits. Not saying where he is because of her or him or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.
Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you want to be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.
What's up, bro? Mitchell.
Which one? Kill it. Oh, last two.
This shit's making me full as fuck, bro.
Bro, chill. Full of what? That sticky shit? Hold on, pause.
Resume.
Delicious.
So
Bus.
tasty.
You gotta say the bus. Done, bitches. Done.
Can I get that syrup?
You're ruining my intro. I'm just kidding. Well, yeah, I tried to do like just a simple video, a lot of changes and shit with me. Tats, cut, a lot of different things. I'm going to try and upload more consistently. I know I've said that a lot, but I'm going to try. Go check out the YouTube shorts and like, comment, subscribe.
If you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you...
What are you doing over here, man? What are you doing over here? What is that? What is that? No. We do not film this kind of shit. Cut it out.
Look, it's actually in the crotch.
No.
It's actually in
No.
the crotch.
No.